Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, welcome back. What the fuck was that? Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a room tour. Hence why I'm standing in the corner of my room, because this is where we're going to start. Let me just move this camera down so you can see what I'm looking at. That's really bad angle. So this is like the little box area where you walk into, and then this is like the door where you open and close it. And then in the corner there, that's just rubbish that I just wanted to move out of my room, but you can still see it, and let's just move on. There's also the light switch and the fan switch right there. So, and then I just keep my school bag right here, and then I have a little fluffy pink rug that's not really fluffy anymore because it's like 50 years old. But then I have my hello brother, and then oh my god, that was so freaking weird. And then I have my drawers, which nobody cares about what's in them, just clothes if you really cared. And then I have my very dusty oh my god, are you joking right now? And then I have my very dusty sunglass collection. Don't move please. Oh shit. And then I have my TV here. Oh my god, that was really cringy. That doesn't even work. So, stupid thing. Oh my god, look how dusty everything is. It's actually really gross. This used to be like a flower crown, but then I just put it here because why the freaking not? And then I have this little fake flowers, which are pink, and a little pink candle that I lit to make the room smell good. And then up here, I just have this hat. And then up there is my TV cables that don't work because I don't have them on because my TV does not work. I have my skateboard just laying there. And then I have another set of power points with 2 cables going off because we love to use electricity. And then down here, I just have this black bucket crate thing. I don't know what it is, but I just have like all my desk stuff in it because my desk doesn't have any drawers. Then I have a lamp here that is really bright. And then I just keep some of my scrunchies on here. I used to have 10, but now I'm down to 3. Don't even ask where they went because I do not know. And then I have this little mirror thing where it like does a zoom in. Wait, it has like a zoom in mirror, and then it has like a normal mirror. And then I have like a little plant, an aloe vera plant, which is actually real. And it's not dead yet because you don't need to give it water. I think you do need to give it water, who knows. And then I just keep my computer here as well with my Spotify playing bright. And then I have this big blue mirror, which I found in my sister's room, so I just stole it. And then over here I have 3 jars. So this one has like a whole bunch of makeup brushes in it that I don't really use. And this one has makeup brushes in it that I use a lot. And this one is just like random crap. Like it has, I literally have 4 pairs of scissors in there. Don't even know why. I've had this thing for ages. It's like this shell thing, and I just got that on my window right there. And then I also just have this, oh, go back up, sweetie. And then I just have this chair as well, which is nice and good for me. And then I have my bed, which is in the center of my room. I should probably do an overview of the whole room. I'll do that when I get up. But I have this flower garland thing, which I made myself. Everybody always asks where I bought that from, but guess what? I made it myself. I've literally had this up for like 2 years now, and I'm very proud of myself. And then I have fairy lights as well, which I just got from Bunnings. And this Dune cover set is from either Target or Kmart, I don't know. But then I have my bedside tables, so let me get the camera and show you them. So I have another PowerPoint thing here where I have my fairy lights thing, my iPhone charger, and my camera charger. This is like my main bedside table because you know how you have 2, but then you only really use this one. So this is the one I use. So I just have like these fake plants on it. My phone is right there charging, and I have perfume and a really nice candle. Coming down in here, I just have some books, and then in here I have like all this stuff. Now to the other side. So on top I have this vase, and then it just has a bunch of fake flowers in here. And then down there I just have some love heart thing, and then I have this straw. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. And then I have my massive, it's not even massive, what the hell, why I say that, I don't know, man. So in the first wardrobe, let's just open it with my feet. Ow! Up the top in that crate right there is skincare and stationery, and then I have a bunch of clothes in this one. And then down the bottom I have all my shoes just chucked there, shoe boxes, and my jewelry box on top. And then I have like a little workout, like full of workout stuff in there, I don't know, and shoes. Okay, yeah, there's the first crate, and then this one is just boxes that I just can't bother to chuck out yet. And then opening on the other side is my last crate, which has a bath bomb in it, which I really want to use, but I just can't be bothered. And then a bunch of hats, and then I have a brick there. I don't know why. And then I have more boxes with all books in there. Let's go do an overview of my room now. So this is where you walk in, you turn around, so this is your view. When you open the door, you go, boom. and then you move a little bit and you can see everything else. My bed's all messy because I was just laying on it, but it's fine. I'm gonna have all my fairy lights shoved under there because I used to have them go all along there, but it was just too much for me, so I just shoved them all under there. So my bed's here. Turn this way, that's my drawer dresser thing, and then over in the corner is my desk. So yes, very simple. There's a hairband down there too. Why did I do that? Oh my god, what the frick.